Hey, welcome back. This is just going to be a quick video today, but I just wanted to share an announcement. I found out last week that I'm actually going to be attending the AWS reinvent conference in Las Vegas next week. For those of you who don't know what AWS reinvent is, it's the biggest AWS event of the year with talks, workshops, and networking opportunities. And yes, I just found out very last minute that I'm going to actually be able to go. I'm so excited for this. I've wanted to go for a really long time, and I'm very glad that this is happening. I've gone through the entire conference schedule and I've favorited a ton of different events that I want to attend. However, because it's so last minute, every single talk that I could want to go to has already been filled. This means that I'm going to have to show up to each talk that I really want to attend and line up outside and hope that I can get in last minute. So the first thing that I want to do is please let me know down in the comments if there's any specific events that you would like me to go to, and I will do my best to make it so that I can bring that information back and potentially make a video on it. I would really like to explore a lot of the different serverless opportunities as well as some of the stuff having to do with AI. After doing my last video on App Studio, it was actually revealed that App Studio is now generally available, and a lot of the issues that I had with it have actually been fixed. So I'm really excited to go to some talks and workshops about App Studio so I can learn how to build even better with it. I also wanted to let you know that I will be at the CDK meetup that's happening on Monday evening. So if you're going to be there, don't be shy, come up and say hi. So I've been actually watching a lot of videos on some ways to prepare for reinvent because this is going to be my first time. Some of the ways that I'm preparing for this are that I'm bringing my Remarkables so that I can take lots of notes. Hopefully this will spark some ideas for me so that I can bring some videos back to show all of you. I'm bringing a really large suitcase, but I'm going to make sure that I only fill it about 75% of the way. This ensures that I have plenty of space to bring back lots of swag. One of the bonuses of not being locked into any of the workshops or talks is that I get to explore. Specifically, I'm very excited to just explore the expo hall and just see all of the offerings there. Another thing that I'm doing is bringing earplugs. For those of you who don't know, I was actually a DJ for a really long time, so I'm very sensitive to really loud sounds, especially in enclosed spaces. Finally, of all of the keynote talks, I'd really like to go to the CEO Matt Gorman's talk, and I've also been told that Dr. Werner Vogel's keynote is like the premier event, so I definitely don't want to miss that. So again, if there's a specific workshop or a specific topic or something that you want me to dive a little bit deeper on, please let me know down in the comments. I'll make sure that I report back with any insights or anything specific that I learned from the conference and try to make some videos for you. So I'm super excited about this. This is my first ever time going to AWS reinvent, and I know that it's going to be such an amazing experience. Again, I will be at the CDK meetup on Monday, so please come and say hi if you see me. But other than that, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.